Hey, how are you today? I'm a very, very patient person. And yesterday, someone pissed me off completely. I almost lost my mind yesterday because I hate when people do it. And I admit it, I myself did it once, years ago, when I understand that when I do that, that's not just annoying, it's also push away your client away from you, far, far away to the next planet, to Mars even. And that is push sales. I hate push sales, really despise it. And yesterday, some friend of mine that I know a couple of years ago, she started something in marketing or whatever. I don't understand. I don't understand what she's even doing. Really, I was curious, asked her what she's doing, and she wanted me on board with her on her new project that she's launching. Okay, so now she tried to push, like, come and get it. Let's go make a call now. Not later. I want now. Let's make a call right now. I want you on board before you miss it. And whoa, easy woman. Now, easy, just easy. Take a breath. I hate when people push. You got to take it slower because it's like a dance. It's like kind of a romance, if you will, when you're suiting after your client, but not in a needy way. Not in a needy way. Now, hey, women, just you will agree with me here. When I say, for example, when a guy comes to you and he tries to push himself too much, like he likes you, then he buy you chocolates. Then at the first time he saw you, he buy you chocolates, he buy you flowers, he stalk you to the house, he say, come on, please date with me. And you gave him your phone number by accident and now he's texting you every second. Now, whoa, that's creepy, right? Same goes with selling. When you're too much pushy, it looks like you're needy. And when you're needy, nobody likes it. Nobody likes people that are needy. Come from abundant states. Come from the place that you want to help that person. First, see what he wants. Then see what he needs, what he really needs, what he really wants. He or she, the person, what the hell they want. Okay, because if you don't understand what they want and what they need, how can you help them? How can you take them to the next level? How can you really take someone and elevate him? And if you can't do that, that means you can't sell to that person. Because sell is not a bad thing. Sell is amazing and beautiful thing. It's an art, it's a dance. When you take it as a good place, not as a manipulative place, but when you see what the person needs, what he wants, and then you figure out there with questions, you're guiding the person with questions, your prospect, to see if it really suits, if you really can help him with your service, with your product. Doesn't matter, but you got to understand first if you can really take that person and help them to improve their life in any way. So you got to, again, first, remember, seek out what are their needs, what are their wants. Ask them questions to guide them through. See if they really suit your programs or suit your product, suit your service, whatever it is that you're selling. See if they really suit it. See if you can really help them and provide value. Value. If you don't give the value to the person, it won't work. Really, it won't work because then you are in a pushy way, you're in a needy place, and people feel it. If you want it or not, people feel it. If someone will sell you, imagine every time that you come to sell to someone, imagine that you are on the other side, that someone tried to sell you. Would you like someone to sell you the way you sell it? Think about it every time that you're coming and approach someone. Understand that I will treat him as I would want that people will treat me. And come from the abundant state. When you understand that there is a limitless clients, a limitless prospects, you understand now that you can actually get to everyone that you want, everyone that you targeted. And I will talk about targeting and that in the next Monday marketing. But right now, focus, remember, what their wants, what their needs, because remember, it's a dance. You're suiting after the person. You're not pursuing, you're suiting. You're coming with a place of helping, giving value. So wants, needs, questions to guide, and of course, value people. Okay? So I would love to hear your thoughts about that. How are you treating your clients and prospects? I would love to hear about it. I'm really curious. So, and if you have more questions, just comment below, and have an amazing and productive day. And I really appreciate you for being here and invest your time with me, and have an amazing and productive day. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up that I know that you want more of it. And if you're watching on YouTube, just hit the subscribe button to never miss out an episode. And I will see you tomorrow right here. That was live on my group. Have a great one.